Yo, back like I never left. What's up, Buzz? Now today we have the Sony ULT Field 1. Let's break down everything this speaker has to offer and let's get right into it. When it comes to the price for this speaker, it's normally $130. They already have it marked down to $100, $98 in that range. So I will put the link down in the description below so you can click that and see what the current price is when you guys see this video. Also, it comes in 4 different colors. It comes in this black, white, forest gray, and orange. So those are your different color options as of right now for this speaker. So when it comes to the design of the speaker, you're definitely going to see that it is, really small, compact, just easy to throw in your bag. You do have the string here that I liked more than I thought I would. You can take this off if you want to. It looks nice enough and clean enough to just have at a desk setup, and it's small. You don't have to have a big speaker. So if you want it at your PC setup, you want it at your office desk or any of that, the speaker will do, because it's so small, but then it still has a nice design to be on the desk. But if you want to just have it on the go, it's gonna be easy to throw in the bag, good to go. It does have a little arch here. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it, but there is a little arch. It just seems like these rubber ends will protect it from any drops, because it's gonna be hard to get it the flat on there to hit the floor. So you're gonna hit the floor this way, that way, or even if it falls flat, it's still gonna hit the rubber ends first. Now, when it came to the battery life of the speaker, I felt like it was holding for a long time. I feel like it was never dropping. Every time I kept checking the app after like a couple hours went by, I want to see what the progress was and how it was dropping. It would always be at 80%, and then finally, the next day at work, I just took it to work at 80%. And it only dropped to 60. So the battery life was really holding throughout the day. So, and I'm only at work for like 5 to 6 hours or so, something like that. So, but even then, only dropping 20% within that time was really good. Now, when it comes to the waterproofness of this speaker, you're gonna be looking at IP67. That's basically the peak that we are seeing with speakers and earbuds is IP67. That means it's dust and waterproof. So you don't have to worry about dust particles getting here and messing up the speaker. You don't have to worry about water. If it falls in a larger body of water, you pull it out, right? It's gonna be good and ready to go. Another thing they said, it's gonna be rust proof and it's gonna be shock proof. And I'm pretty sure the shock proof is because, like I told you guys, the ends here and the arch, it feels like brunt of the impact, if you drop this, is gonna somehow land on this tough rubber here. So it's shock proof as well. All right, so let's go to the sound test, and I'll talk to you guys on the other end of that.
Kakasimula pa lang sa larong ito. Sabi na tao sa tabi, dapat akong huminto. Pero buhay matindi, dapat puso ay bato. Di kailangan enerhiyan yung negatibo.
So when it comes to the sound quality of the Field 1, I really do like the volume that comes off of this speaker. Definitely, now that it's in that $100 range, I really like what you're getting out of it for $100. It sounds very clear. You get that clear sound. Also, they have the app where you can EQ if you want to and get the customized sound perfect for you. I feel like a lot of you guys will stay in the ULT mode, that bass booster mode. It definitely gives you way more. If you turn that off, it's more of a flat sound, something that you really won't like. Definitely, this is the best mode. Even with customization, I felt like I kept coming back to the ULT mode. Gives you that lower end and that little thumpier, sound. So definitely my EDM fans out there are going to love the thump on this thing, that little bit of thump it's giving you, and a nice little lower rumble as well. And the speaker is good. It's good sound quality for sure, and definitely in that $100 range is something you might want to look at if you don't want to go pay even more in that 180, 200 plus what a lot of speakers are. If you're trying to get a little bit cheaper speaker that you can just throw in the bag, this one you want to look at for $100. All right, bud, so there you have it. That's the Sony ULT Field 1. If you guys want to check this out, I put the link down in the description below so you guys can click that, check out the different colors. And like I said, it's $100 right now instead of $130. Hopefully it stays in that $100 range. I really do like this speaker in that price range for sure. And like I said, I'll put the link down in the description below. And if you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And I'll see all of you in my next video. My name was Rodney. This was Wanna Buy It. Everyone be safe out there. Peace.